All right, guys, out here in my field again this morning. Got the Frankster with me.
Hey.
As Al said, it's Franken food time. And I got a good signal here a minute ago. Gotta get the sun right here. And I walked up and showed Frankie what I got. And you should be able to see this on the back. Hell, I can't even see it now. Right there. Got myself a V-nickel. And it's not too bad a shape either. 18.99 it looks like. So we're on the board with a pretty good coin. There she is. Looks like $18.99. So it's got good detail onto it. It'll clean up real good when I get it home. We'll see you on the next one. All right, guys. Frankie's on the board with a coin, and you can see she's Indian. Now we'll see if we can pull the date off of it. See, we were just talking about it.
What? 1900? Ain't no way.
All right, folks, there you go. Frank and I were just talking about coins, and so far I have not found a 1900 coin. He had neither. And this time he came so damn close, it's just plain friggin' pitiful. 1901. 1901 Indian. I ain't gonna rub the back, let it stay that way. Alright, we'll catch y'all on the next ones. Thanks for watching.
1901.
Yep.
Damn.
Alright, gals and gals, went out today with Frankie, another member off the page, and yeah, it wasn't a stellar day, but we both found a little bit. You saw in the video we found a few things. There's, I'd say, probably my best find of the day. I'm gonna put it in electrolysis tonight after I get off work, but pretty good on the date. $18.99. Still got some really good details, so I think after electrolysis it will come out really, really good. Couple Wheaties. $19.45. And it's like 1910, so that's not too bad. I wish somebody could tell me too, what the heck are these things? This is my second one I found. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. I don't know what it is, it's just glass. That looks pretty neat. I have no idea what it is though. I like them. Found this nice buckle. Got a little inlay design there. Everything's kind of wet. I just kind of cleaned them all off. A couple harmonica reeds. That's probably part of a tractor. A little gear. Probably a pocket knife. Came off a tractor. It's off a tractor. Did find these two old door handles. But there's another handle. It's a pretty heavy one too. It's brass. Not sure what that was. Maybe a piece of a hinge. Little ring. Got this. Whatever it is bent over big time. I mean, it's bent right in half in two. It's got a design onto it. I may try to get it bent out, but I don't know. See, it looks like a person right there. Somebody standing right there. I might try to bend it out. I don't know. We'll see. Something there. Anyway, that was pretty much it. Oh, and it's, I'm not sure if it's a lip case, lipstick case, or what it is, but it's got an A on there with a couple wings. It's copper. Everybody knows what that is, let me know. A couple bullets. Now this I found last week, but I've been meaning to put it on. Piece of pottery. I like the design. It's got a crown. If everybody got any idea on pottery and meanings of them, please let me know. Well, that was pretty much it. Frankie's got some stuff he's probably going to put on later. So we'll see on the next digs, and I'll get those that V-nickel cleaned up tonight and get a better picture of it on for you. Thanks for watching Relics, and we'll see you on the next hunt.